Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Thanks for joining. Please remember to like our videos and also subscribe to our channel. Would really appreciate it. We put a lot of effort into these videos. Today we're looking at Easter. As you can see all the little cute duckies and the bunnies, and we're visiting Dollarama. Again, trying to shop on a little bit of a budget for the kids with Omicron and COVID. Dollarama's already put out a lot of the Easter stuff. You have a lot of great baskets here, so we just don't know what's going to be happening in the future. So right now is a good time to start collecting these items, putting the eggs in place. They also have a lot of chocolate, Easter bunny chocolates. There's a lot of Easter bunny signs as well. Dollarama's put it out early, so we're able to, get your picking on what you'd like and customize the baskets, or even customize the gifts for the little kids. Us being a family of 4, again, shopping on a budget is very, very important for us. So going to the local Dollarama does help. You can get these little sashes as well. There are the bags. You have gift bags as well with the bunny ears, with the rabbits. So a lot of really neat ideas and neat items there. And then again, a lot of the chocolate is here as well. Hopefully you guys like the video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Enjoy.